most people get this wrong and think canceling Spotify Premium is just closing the app or deleting it. That's where they end up getting charged again. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your subscription is not tied to the app. It is tied to your account billing system. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel Spotify Premium in 2026 step by step, no matter what device you're using, and how to make sure you don't get billed again accidentally. Let's start simple. Your subscription to Spotify is managed through the platform you use to sign up. That could be the Spotify website, Google Play, or Apple App Store. The cancellation steps are slightly different depending on that. Now here's the fastest and most common method. If you signed up directly on Spotify, open a browser and go to the Spotify website. Log into your account. Once inside, click your profile icon at the top right and go to Account Settings. From there, find the section called Your Plan. You will see an option to change or cancel your premium plan. Click Cancel Premium and follow the confirmation steps. That's it. But here's the problem most users face. They cancel the app thinking it's enough. Then they get surprised when the next billing cycle still charges them. That happens because the subscription is still active in your billing account, even if the app is gone. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you subscribed through Google Play, you must cancel it through the Play Store. Open the Play Store app, tap your profile, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Find Spotify and tap Cancel. If you are on iPhone, it is slightly different. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, go to Subscriptions, find Spotify, and cancel it from there. Now, let's talk about timing, because this is important. When you cancel Spotify Premium, you do not lose access immediately. You still keep premium features until the end of your billing cycle, so you can continue enjoying ad-free music, downloads, and offline playback until it expires. Another important detail many people miss is reactivation. Even after canceling, your account stays intact. You can come back anytime and resubscribe without losing playlists or saved music. So let's make this simple. If you want to cancel Spotify Premium, always go through the same platform you used to subscribe. Never rely on uninstalling the app. And always check your subscription status afterward to confirm it is inactive. To wrap it up, canceling Spotify Premium in 2026 is easy once you know where to look. The key is checking the right billing source and confirming cancellation properly. If this helped you avoid unwanted charges, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.